So here's an example of something that you can do with WallWisher and working with images, languages, and other ideas. So we've got some pictures of signs, and we ask, what does the sign say? What language is this? And you can tell pretty quickly that it's in a variety of different languages. So how did we do this? Well, what we did is we're going to just add a new tab. So you can go File, New Tab, and that opens up. The tab browsing is an important skill. And we're going to go to a website called flickr.com, and we're going to look for a stop sign. You saw that's what we're using. So we're in this case we'll look for a French one. So we're going to go France and stop sign and do a quick search and see what comes up. Now when we do these kinds of searches, we want to make sure that we use Creative Commons copyrighted images so that we're not violating anybody's copyright. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Advanced Search here straight away. Don't look at any of this stuff. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you see where it says Search Only Within Creative Commons. We click that, search again, and then we can legally use all the images that are going to come up in our search. Now, these stop signs in France aren't quite the stop signs that we were looking for, because they say the English word stop. So down below you can see that we're looking for, we can advance to see other stop signs, and here's one that's kind of more along the lines of what we were looking for. So now here's the image that I wanted to get. So right above the picture there's a little button that says Actions, and I'm going to choose to view all sizes, and the size I like to use is the small one to put on my WallWisher. And then where it says Download, I'm going to right click on that, and from the menu that comes up I'm going to choose Save Link As, or I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC it'll probably say Save Shortcut As. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. I wanted to copy the link. Sorry, copy link address, copy link location, copy shortcut, that kind of thing. Then I'm going to come up here to the tabs and click back on my WallWisher. To add something to the wall, click 2 times. Whatever I want to add the image, so down in the bottom here, I just click 2 times to select that text and then paste in that funky email address. And then I'm going to add my new message, which is basically the same as what I've been saying all along. What does this say? And what language is this? Now, what's interesting is if you can find images that include the stop sign with other text, as you can see in the German one over here. By the way, just clicking on the title of any of those things allows me to move them around, and it's as easy as that. When I'm done, I'm just going to click OK. And there it is. And you can see that it's put me in as an anonymous person because I wasn't signed in when I did this, and that's okay. If I click on the zoom key, it kind of zooms in on the picture so I can see that, and you can see all the different languages. So now, over to you. Can you add any other signs that you can think of that people might recognize that might help them pick up the language, as well as help them to identify how language is actually used in real life in different languages in different countries? Looking forward to see what you come up with.